Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be doing a no salt veggie broth recipe. I'm going to be using the Instant Pot, but in the description I'm also going to put the instructions for stovetop as well, just in case you're not wanting to use an Instant Pot. Let's start with the ingredients though. Very simple stuff. Here we have 2 carrots that have been just roughly chopped. I'm using baby carrots, and when you're using baby carrots, a good rule of thumb is about 5 or 6 baby carrots will equal 1 regular carrot. 2 stalks of celery chopped up, and here I got 1 onion chopped up. Now I'm using a frozen onion just because, again, we're just making stock. I don't really want to waste my fresh onions on the veggie stock. Now I got some frozen garlic as well. This is 2 cloves, or the equivalent of 2 cloves of garlic. Then our spices here, we have 2 bay leaves, we have 1 teaspoon of thyme, 1 teaspoon of oregano, and half a teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. And then all that's going to go in the water here. We have 8 cups of water. Alright, at this point we're going to add all the ingredients into the pressure cooker. Then we're going to seal the lid, and we're going to cook this on high pressure for 20 minutes. Then we're going to allow for a natural release for at least 15 minutes. You can actually just do a full natural release if you want to. The natural pressure release is important for developing the flavor of the broth. The longer you let it naturally release, the more flavorful the broth is going to be. Okay, the broth is all done. Let's pop this open. Okay, there we have it. Looks like it turned out pretty good. Has some nice color to it. Now we're going to strain all that stuff out of there. Alright, and there it is after we've strained everything out of it. Looks really good. I can tell you it smells really good. The house smells amazing after cooking that. Yeah, so I'm looking forward to using this no salt veggie broth. Alright, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this recipe video and you want to see more recipe videos like this, please like and subscribe. There's definitely more to come throughout January and on. Alright, until next time everybody, take care.
Hey there! Pat yourself on the back for making it this far into Chris's video. These vlogs of his can get pretty lengthy sometimes. Anyway, don't forget to like this video and please click the subscribe button. It's always free and it is the best way to support content creators like Chris the plant-based runner. Thanks again for watching. Until next time, safe travels.